How can environment-related laws do a better job of preventing harm that builds up slowly, through many different actions that are often small, legal, or invisible? My new book offers a new way to think about how formal rules can do a better job of dealing with these cumulative environmental problems. These are problems like gradual loss of forests or increasingly degraded waterways, or growing pollution burdens that affect some communities more than others. No single law, or even type of law, can solve cumulative environmental problems alone. Rather, we need to understand and improve systems of rules and how they work together. The book puts forward a circle framework, 4 core functions that rules can serve to address these challenges of 1,000 cuts. My book brings together examples and case studies of how rules can be designed to deliver these functions and work together. I've drawn examples from over 50 countries, with major case studies on groundwater in California, alpine grasslands in South Tyrol in Italy, and the Great Barrier Reef in Queensland. The goal is to support regulators, policymakers, researchers, and community advocates to find new and practical ways to design effective rules for problems of 1,000 cuts.